Hello kids, it's Rex. Today I'm going to draw a beautiful landscape. First, I'm drawing a big rectangle. And I'm drawing a beautiful house. And also a heart. Now I'm drawing a tree.
With a here and a there, here and there.
And also fruits.
Old MacDonald had a farm.
I love landscapes so much. Let's draw a stream.
Old MacDonald had a farm.
I'm drawing mountains.
And on his farm
There is a rainbow behind the mountains. Amazing!
with a
Here is a flock of birds.
here, up, there, up, everywhere. Old
Finally, I'm drawing bushes.
E-I-E-I-O.
Great job! Now I use this marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible.
E-I-E-I-O.
Let's paint.
He had a dog.
Orange.
E-I-E-I-O.
I love drawing and painting so much.
Here and a
Blue,
here, up, there, up, everywhere.
purple,
Old MacDonald
red.
had a farm.
Let's paint a tree. I use green color. It's going to be so beautiful landscape after the painting. Brown,
And on his farm,
red for fruits,
E-I-E-I-O. With a
light green for grass.
here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald
Landscapes offer breathtaking scenery. We can also take photos. Light blue for stream.
had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
It's lovely place.
On his farm, he had some sheep.
Brown color for mountains.
With a here,
Please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.
Old MacDonald
Let's paint a rainbow. Red,
E-I-E-I-O.
orange,
Old MacDonald had a farm.
yellow,
E-I-E-I-O.
green, blue, purple, light blue for the sky. Extremely beautiful. See you on the next video.